Morning everyone, this is Amanda from Taylor Transformations. So this month in April is Stress Awareness Month, and I just wanted to have a little bit of a chat with you about this. So stress can occur in everybody's lives in lots of different ways, for positive things as well as negative things like holidays, family events. In my case, as you can hear, puppies. All these positive things in our lives can cause stress as well. Christmases, sorry, I'm being bitten. Christmases, events, weddings. We're currently in the Easter break at the moment, so again, the family holidays, that can cause so much stress. So it's worth thinking about that as a whole. Obviously, you've got the other stuff as well, the negative things that we all know causes stress and anxiety. But for this month, I want you to really think about the stresses in your lives and the wellbeing tools that you can put in place in order to support yourself with these. So this month I'm going to be posting all about different strategies, different tools that can help you, things you can put in place, and we'll do a general well-being mental health check so you can sort yourselves out. So stay tuned, follow, like, share, and I will catch you guys soon. Bye.